Hey guys, and welcome to another Shein Nail Art Haul. I have loads of goodies in this for you today, and I'm going to tell you the prices that I paid after all the discounts, etc. So you know when you go on to Shein and you enter in your codes that they offer you throughout your shopping experience, and then you may have points that you add on and all that kind of stuff, and it gives you the price at the end. So I'm just going to let you the price I paid for everything that's after the discounts. So for these AB crystals here, I paid $145. Such a bargain. These are glass crystals or glass rhinestones, and it is definitely glass to look out for when you're looking for your crystals or your rhinestones on any website, because they are the best finish. Next, I went for these long square nail tips. I've never actually gotten tips like this before, where they come in this box here on this plastic kind of I don't know how I'm trying to say it, but you know what I'm saying, this plastic little sheety thing. And yeah, I'm not sure about these. These were only $2.44, and there's 240 pieces in it. They look quite good. The shape of them looks nice, but let me know if any of you have tried these. I'm not sure about them yet, but I had to try them with the price, and they look like they're already etched. So I'm thinking I'm not going to have to prep them, but I'll just have to see how it goes, because like I said, I've never had tips like these ones before. But they look good. I'm just trying them here against my nail just to see how long they are, and they are quite, I would say, medium to long. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying these out here. And so next up then is this nail dusting brush. So this was only $126 after discounts, and it has a lovely purple colour, and the handle has little glitter pieces inside. So the size of it is perfect. I thought it might come smaller than this, because sometimes they look bigger on the picture and then when they come they're tiny. But this is a decent size, as you can see there, compared to my hand. And I'm just kind of going over the bristles of the brush, and they're nice and soft. I have used it a few times on clients while I'm working, and it's perfect for the price. It is perfect, so I would definitely buy that again. And then next up, these were only 32 cents, so there's 50 cuticle pushers in here, disposable ones, and I usually buy these for my press-on kits, but I also use them on clients as well the odd time, so they're very handy to have. And these jewels here, or these gems, they were only, I think 126 popped up there, but there's 10 pieces here, and you've probably seen these over Instagram or Pinterest. These are very trendy at the moment to add into your gem designs. And I'm just going to take them out of the packet here to show you just exactly how shiny they are. So this video was taken in natural light, and you can really see just how good these are. So they have a little gold outline, but on the outside of the blue there's also little diamonds. So these are, yeah, they're gorgeous. I'm so glad I got these, and I'll definitely order them in other colours, I think, because for that price you just couldn't leave them there. So yeah, I'm excited to use these ones. Okay, so next up was this box of crystals. So this was $145, and I didn't have any of this colour of crystals in my collection, so I'm just always trying to add, especially to my gems and my charms lately. These are glass again, so they're just a very high quality finish, and these little boxes are perfect if you're just starting off your crystal or your rhinestone collection, because they have many different sizes of the round little crystals in them, but they also have loads of different shapes, like the teardrop and the flame, and different shapes for you to start off with. So I'm just going to show you these here again in the natural light, because it's such a good indication of how they look like in real life. So I'm just showing you here, and oh my god, they are so shiny. They are stunning. Look at all the little dimensions to them. They are just gorgeous. So I cannot wait to use these in nail sets. So yeah, definitely a good buy. Okay, these little practice fingers then, I just spotted them on Shein too, and I decided to buy one because I do have a practice hand, well, half a hand, and I thought a finger might be handy to have because I've never had one. So these were like 3 something without the, or after the discount. So it's fully bendable and kind of posable, and it looks like a decent size to get a decent size nail tip on there as well. So maybe a size 4 possibly, or 5, but I'm just kind of comparing it here to my other hand. So yeah, just pulling out Becky, that's my hand, and yeah, so just got that for maybe doing some tutorials or practicing of nail art or something like that. So yeah, that was really good as well. Really happy with that one. Okay, so next up with these, I actually thought these were the dried flowers, but they're not. They're actually kind of the little paper or cardboardy style flowers. Now they are quite thin, so I think they would be easy to encapsulate, but yeah, I did think they were dried flowers, but no harm. I think I'll use them anyway, and they are pretty. I love the colours. Okay, so next up are these flowers. So they are the flowers that have been really trendy for the last while, and people are using them kind of in place of the acrylic flowers, having to make the acrylic flowers yourself. And I just got picked this color group because it has a lot of your primary colors like the blue, purple, red, white, all that kind of stuff. So I thought they'd be very, a good mix of colors, and they come with like pearls and little caviar beads as well that you can pop in amongst your petals. And yeah, 74 cents for these. So this was such a bargain as well. I just feel like Shein has been so cheap for this haul. This haul like cost me nothing really altogether. And yeah, so this is the little flowers here. And then next up, I got this butterfly sheet. So I got this because I saw another girl haul this, and I can't remember who it was, but I know I did comment on her video. So this has kind of like the airbrush effect. It looks like they're airbrushed on. So when I saw those, I thought, oh yeah, that looks good. I could just see this with a pastel-y colour set and a bit of bling around it or a bit of glitter. I just think it'd be lovely. And yeah, so those are those. And then next up, I moved on to some glitters. So I got this 10-gram pot of glitter for 44 cents. And this is kind of like the fine fairy dust glitters. So you could use it for sugaring over, say, raised designs like your sweater nails in the winter time, or even raised little hearts and stuff like that. So just instead of acrylic powder, you could drop this over your designs, and yeah, it's really fine and really sparkly. So yeah, that was only 44 cents for 10 grams of it. And then next up, I got this black glitter. Now I did think this was kind of more shiny in the picture, but it looks a little bit matte here. It's not super shiny, it just has a little bit of a matte effect to it, but I do think it would be cool encapsulated. And it has a mixture of the hexagons, the fine and the medium, and it was, I think, 74 cents or something like that for this bag here. So at the very end of the video, you're going to get a better look at the glitters because I do decant them into my little glitter storage. So you do get a better look at them. And the next one up is an emerald colour. So this one I was dying to get because it's that gorgeous emerald green. And I was dying to get that for my collection. So that's the same again. It's kind of the same vibe. It's the same size glitters as the black one. So your hexagons, your medium and your fine. Yeah, so this one here now is a fine silver glitter. It's holographic. It's described on the website as laser. So it's one of those glitters that you kind of burnish into the top layer of your gel polish and then you top coat over it, and it is not really encapsulated, it's just burnished in, but it gives that really laser holographic look to it. If I can remember, I'm going to pop in a picture, but it is, yeah, it doesn't look like amazing right now, I have to say. It looks very unassuming. That's my first kind of reaction to it. I was like, this is one of those, I think, that's just going to be so good when you put it on, but like to look at it in the pot or in the bag, it doesn't look that like exciting or anything. So I'm just going to decant these into my glitter storage and you can get a better look at these glitters here. Alrighty, so that's it for this haul. I really enjoyed it. Everything that I got, I really genuinely loved. And thank you so much if you made it this far. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And if you need any help with anything, just comment and I'll get back to you ASAP.